Hello students, welcome to revision session from chapter number 14, 15 and 16 for EVS class 4 unit test 3rd. I am Suresh sir from St. Thomas School and I am going to explain you the plot idea of our paper style. Dear students, we have already discussed about some fill in the blanks and true or false which I have shared with you. That type of points will be given where Raju is living in which district of Gujarat. Either Gujarat is the right answer. What Raju's father is doing, he is a farmer. Then later on, father is working with the bullocks, but nowadays tractor is also useful. That point also is important. Then sowing seeds, onion seed is germinated in the picture, and some weeds are also growing in the fields and gardens without being planted. That point also you keep it in mind. If we continue, then Raju is also happy by looking the crops, and we have to discuss that everyone in the Raju's house gathered and worked hard in order to grow the plants in the farm. Then when the crops are ready, what kind of tools they are using? Kodali, Ilage, which are sharp tools, and loosen the soil, ploughing, etc. things you have to note down. Which tools are used and where it is used also important. Then tools in the chapter in your area, as what name it is used, what are his uses, what is his nickname, that also important. I have already shared the PDF of it. Then many steps are needed to cultivate the crops, also important. You have to write down it. Then market to home, Vaishali's story. Vaishali's father is a vegetable seller. Mother, brother and Vaishali help them. They get up at 3 o'clock in the morning. That also you please keep it in mind. Then there are some question series given. That question series you have to keep it in mind properly. What time they get up and what they do, what they preparing for the day, and when Vaishali is going to the school. In market side, Chotu attends the school in the morning and goes to the market and helping his father. Why previous day's vegetable is sold first? Because it is a stale, it can be easily wasted, it can be stale, it can be dry. That is why Vaishali's timing and your timing I have given. That also you study it very well. Later on, fruits and vegetables spoils quickly, and fruits and vegetables that you can stay for some day. That full PDF I have given to you. Whenever you are free, please learn it. I may ask some question from it. The touch, smooth touch and rough touch is also important for you. That also I will discuss in the paper. I can ask objective question from this point. So study well this and get ready. Even you have any doubt or any queries, you can call me on Monday, Wednesday and Friday session. I will be ready to give your calls answer at any time in the school hours. Then details are given in the table. Then a busy month. In busy month, Gijubai's letter is discussed. Gijubai wrote this letter before many years. How many years ago he wrote the letter? Why he wrote the letter? Everything all the points we shall discuss in our next revision session. Till then I remain. Thank you students. Learn well. This is all. Thank you.